Let me show you how to keep your rotisserie turkey juicy and delicious. Let this come to room temperature for 2 hours before cooking. Butter, our best friend right now. Perfect. Create some space between the breast and the skin. Be careful, we don't want any extra holes. Add some fruit and herbs into the turkey cavity. Replace the bird's breast side down. This is for extra juiciness. Of course, we need some beautiful garnish. Skin roasted carrots, beans and bacon, roasted potatoes, and of course, your favorite stuffing. When the turkey is ready, let it rest for 20 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Don't hesitate to contact me for any Fri-Jado support.